When you make a silk rose, the closed rose or the bud, as you see here, is needed for the foundation for the middle of the flower. A styrofoam ball can work well, but it can be difficult finding an appropriate size styrofoam ball. In one of my other lessons, I explain how easily you can create the middle for leather flowers. You can prepare the foundation for the bud using kitchen foil. Silk flowers are more delicate and you can't use this technique for them. The most common method to make a foundation for the bud of silk roses is to use cotton wool. However, in my classes, I see very often how my students struggle making these cotton wool bulbs efficiently. That is why for my next silk flower making class, I decided to make these foundations for them myself beforehand to save time during class. Thus, the idea to record this lesson was born to help beginners in silk flower making. First, we need to decide on the size of the cotton wool core. As you can see here, it is about 2.5 centimeters height and 2 centimeters width. One petal has to hug around half of the foundation vertically and completely cover its top of course. Bend the wire in half. This wire will be our stem, so take a wire of at least 26 gauge. Prepare a cotton wool strip approximately 2.5 centimeters wide and 15 centimeters long. Insert this piece of cotton wool in the bend of the wire and fix it with PVA glue. Then we wind the cotton wool on the wire, forming a cone and adding glue time to time. I found it easier for me to work with the cotton wool and glue by wetting my fingers with water time to time. It is very important to ensure that the bottom of this foundation is flat. Align this cone a little by adding glue to the sides with your fingers. As the last step, I grind the cotton wool bud between the fingers of my left hand. I hold it between my thumb and forefinger. Ring finger is below the bottom of this foundation. With my right hand, I begin to rotate the stem wire. The wool bud is spinning in the fingers of the left hand, taking a more even shape. I will show you again making the other cotton wool core. It is almost impossible to make them exactly the same size, but nothing could be similar in nature. Why do rosebuds have to be the same? I hope this small tutorial will help you when you start making your beautiful silk rose. Happy flower making!